G'day guys, what's going on? Ange here again. Welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I'm at a brand new location. This is a brand new BMX track that the council have built just sort of around the corner from my place, maybe a 10-minute drive. But yeah, we're going to get the Rustler out today. So as you can see, I've got brand new front and rear bumpers on this. I've also changed out, they supposed to be a GPM shock, but they're not a GPM shock, but they're adjustable. It's hard to see in there, maybe on that one you can see. So yeah, those are done, and also I've put in a metal spur gear. So yeah, we're going to test all these things today, see how we go. All right, so this is a brand new track. You probably saw it in my last video with the Creighton. Oh, nice. We'll see how we go with this one today. Now I am running on 3S 5200 Yumi power, and I'm hoping that these bumpers will just save a lot of carnage, because the Rustler is a great little car. Don't know if I told you, did buy it for 25 bucks, nearly like a gift you could say. Tires aren't too bad on this terrain, a little bit slippery. So I also haven't changed my tires yet. I still got that split in the tire from when I was out with Saul. So that's next on the list, to buy some new tires. Hopefully you can hear me alright guys. It is very windy out here today. We're looking at those trees. I'm hoping my little windsock on my GoPro is doing its job. Alright, let's see how we go. I'll take it on a bit of a jump. I'll just get up here where I can see it. These tyres just aren't as grippy as the Creighton ones. Oh, okay. That's why I got the bumpers. Alright. Let's get a nice run up somewhere. Nice. Lovely. Beautiful, nice and smooth. I think maybe the shockers could do with just a little bit more adjustment. Just getting a little bit of body slam. I know it's normal for body slam, but nice. Oh, caught that one. Oh, and that one. That was right into me. Oh. Yeah, that front bumper saved it. But still digging it up. Still digging on that clay. Nice. Oh, oh, gotta go rescue that one. Nice. Ah. Oh. Body come off. Come out of the front clip. That's an easy fix. Push that back in. Get the sides on. Down. Locked. Away we go again. Oh, right off. And I had the bumpers on the back that saved it. Well, I didn't break it. Oh, what did break? Something broke. What's this part right here? Where did you come from? Where did you come from? Why can't I find you? That still works. That's fine. Ah, you're broken off the back. See, that's why I've got bumpers. Protect it. Even though it did damage the shell, which I do need a new shell anyway, it's doing its job. I'm gonna keep that. The screws fell out there. Oh, ripped them straight out. Alright, gonna have to do some modifications on this. I will keep these screws and that piece. My brand new spring just broke. Are you serious? Oh man, no way. These are brand new. Oh, are you serious? Oh man, which one? Rear. Oh, snapped it completely. Oh, pulled the thread out. Oh, what a spew. Well, I didn't break the shaft. Shaft is still good. There's no bend in it. It just pulled the thread out. Oh, what a spew. That's an easy fix. I'm okay with that. But I am still disappointed that it did let go. That is very, very disappointing. Alright, so I've got all the pieces. No, I'm missing. Oh, what am I missing? No, I'm not. Here it is. Had this the wrong way. Alright, spring there, the retainer, the bottom spring, and that piece. But I can't put it in. Oh, man. What a spew. I've got some tools on the car. Let's see if I can fix that up. Brand new. Literally just put them on. That's alright. It happens. If I grab that, pull it. Oh, that's gone. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. Unfortunately, had some dramas with the Rustler as well. So only a broken shocker, but I don't have any spare parts to fix it in my toolkit. I've got nothing in there at the moment. So that's going to be it. I will leave a link in the description below where you can get these shockers from if you feel like getting them. I did do a Spur gear as well. Didn't break it. I replaced it to a metal one, and that was at Saul's house. So that's going to be in another video. And what else did we do? Oh, and the bumpers. So that's what the bumpers are there for. They're only $15 a pair. I think I got them from Metro Hobbies or Hobbies Direct. I'll leave a link where I got them from. But yeah, that's going to be it guys. Leave a like, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. It really helped me out, and I'll see you guys next time.